All right. So, hello, Professor. This is my quick overview for Assignment 2, the Express Portfolio Authentication part. My name is Mateo Davila. This is COMP229 for the summer semester, and you can see my student number right there. So, right now I'm gonna pull up Visual Studio and quickly show you what I've done for my project. So let's start with the app.js part. These, of course, same as the assignment one, are the required packages for the server to run. But in this case, we also will add the modules for authentication, that is Express Session, Passport, Passport Local, as seen on the eCentennial tutorials. These are the authentication objects, local strategy. Um, Here, Connect Flash is the model for authentication, messaging, and error management. Um, So here, moving on, we have to create the Express app, but here now we've included a database setup and connection with Mongoose databases. Here it will depending on the connection status, it will show connection error or connected. Um, Here the view engine setup is the same as last project. We have connected to public and node models. Uh, in this part, this is the setup for Express session. This app that use Flash with initialize Flash. This will initialize Passport. Um, Here it will implement the authorization strategy, and here is pretty much the same as last uh, last project, which is catches the error and forwards the error handler. Uh, So this is self-explanatory. It's pretty much almost the same as last project. It's just this time we included all the authentication models. So now moving on to the structure of the website. Here in views, we can start off by seeing the login and register.ejs. These are both forms that will show up when you want to log in or register, which I will show you right now. So this is the login form. It will ask for a username and password, but if you want to register for the first time, you can click on the register form and you can place a username, password, your email, and a display name, which will show here. Uh, Now going back to Visual Studio, here in the content area, we have an add a contact, which will allow you to add a new completely contact, which will show up in the contact list in the table created, and as well as an edit form that will let you edit any existing contacts, which I will show you in a second. If I log in here, I will get the add new contact button, which will give you a form to add a completely new contact, and the edit button, which allows you to edit anything from an existing content if you log in, as you can see here. So that is the authentication part of it. Now just the required structure of the website, just the footer. We have a header too. This is where the navigation part is. Here in the home.js, I put most of the the structure, what is inside of the website. That is the about page, the contact us page. That it's similarly uh, to my first project. Here we have the error messages .js, just in case there's an error. And here I've structured the index.js part so that it is nicely and not clustered. And finally here the CSS, I use the same CSS as my project one, the assignment one. It's just recycle CSS from my vanilla portfolio. So yeah, I will show you the final product. Everything is working. Here's you can see the welcome with the username, and that is it, Professor, and thank you for listening.